Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Stranger Things dog costume is probably one of the most iconic and beloved pieces of pop culture merchandise available for our furry friends, allowing them to join in on the fun and fandom of the hit Netflix series, whether it's for a special occasion, a costume party, or just to show off their unique personality and your shared love for all things 11, Dustin, and the Upside Down. Number 5. ComfyCamper Red Flower Dog Costume. Transform your furry friend into a blooming beauty with this adorable red flower costume. It's designed for comfort and fun, making every occasion special. This costume features a cozy and cushy design with an adjustable elastic band. It ensures a secure yet comfortable fit for even the most active pets. Crafted with high-class quality, this headband is made from 100% polyester. It's built to last through many adventures and celebrations. Ideal for Halloween, themed parties, or just everyday fun. It's also great for capturing memorable photos for social media. Surprise your pet or a fellow dog lover with this delightful costume. It's a wonderful gift that brings smiles and joy to everyone. Available in multiple sizes from X small to X large, ensuring a great fit for various breeds. Please check our size chart for the perfect match. What we like. This costume is perfect for pets who love to play and get a little rough. Its adjustable elastic band ensures a secure and comfortable fit, even for the most energetic dogs. If you have a lively pet that enjoys outdoor adventures or indoor play, this is a great choice for adding some fun to their day. What people say. It fit great and looked great for my Stranger Things themed party. This was a cute costume for my dog. I do recommend sizing up. I have a 35-pound Brittany Spaniel and the medium was way too tight around his neck. I returned it for a large and it worked great. Cute costume for dogs. The quality is great and sizing is accurate. The material and elastic were comfortable for our mid-size doodle. He'll be wearing this for Halloween. Number 4. TESSVEYA Funny Pet Cosplay Wig. Get ready for endless laughs with this hilarious pet wig. Designed to look like human hairstyles, it's perfect for adding a touch of fun to any occasion. Make your furry friend the center of attention at Halloween, parties, or any event. This wig guarantees your pet will be the most noticeable and adorable one there. Unleash your creativity. This wig is fully DIY cuttable, allowing you to customize the perfect look for your pet. Prepare for smiles and giggles when you see the results. Designed for most dogs, this wig features an adjustable elastic band for a secure and comfortable fit. It's easy to put on and stays in place, ensuring your pet's comfort. Crafted with care, each wig is hand-sewn for durability. It's also washable, so your pet can enjoy looking fabulous time and time again. Looking for a unique gift? This wig is the ideal present for any dog owner, perfect for holidays, birthdays, or just to bring a smile to their face. What we like. Want your pet to stand out at any event? This wig offers a unique, human-like hairstyle that is sure to turn heads. If you're looking for a truly humorous and attention-grabbing accessory for parties, festivals, or just for fun photos, this is the perfect pick. What people say. This wig was hilarious and surprisingly well made. It stayed on better than I expected and didn't bother him much once it was secured. The fit was snug but not tight, and the hair looked full and fluffy, perfect for a funny costume or a quick laugh. Number 3. Bandai Namco Stranger Things Dart Demo Dog Figure. Introducing the Dart Demo Dog figure from Stranger Things. This collectible captures the essence of the iconic monster from the series. Every aspect has been meticulously crafted to showcase the extraordinary detail of the demo dog. You'll be amazed by its lifelike skin texture. The lifelike skin texture detail brings this creature to life right before your eyes. It's a true testament to the quality of this collectible. Pose it in your favorite action stances. This figure features multiple points of articulation, allowing for dynamic display options. Perfect for fans aged 8 and up. Add this must-have piece to your Stranger Things collection today. What we like. This is a must-have for any fan of the series. It captures the terrifying essence of a beloved monster with incredible detail. If you are a collector or a fan of Stranger Things looking for a high-quality display piece, this figure is an excellent addition to your collection. What people say. My son loves it. Very well put together and realistic looking. It has held up great and he loves that it has multiple joints that can bend and move. It moves great and the detail is awesome. Looks just like the movie. Number 2. Disguise Dustin Costume Kit. Ever wanted to join the Stranger Things crew? Now you can with this officially licensed Dustin Costume Kit. It's perfect for any fan looking to step into the shoes of their favorite character. This costume features an authentic design inspired by Season 4, including Dustin's signature thinking cap. It comes with a color-blocked shirt and the iconic Hellfire Club t-shirt. Designed for comfort, this kit includes the top with an attached shirt and hat. It's a great way to achieve his look without the hassle. Channel your inner Dustin from Stranger Things Season 4. This outfit is sure to be a hit, whether for Halloween or just for fun. This is a high-quality costume kit for boys and girls. For best results, we recommend hand washing to keep it looking great. Please note that this kit includes the top with the attached shirt and hat only. Pants and shoes are not included, so be sure to have those ready to complete the look. What we like? Bring your favorite character to life with this authentic costume. It includes the iconic hat and shirt, perfect for recreating memorable moments. If you're a fan of Stranger Things and want a recognizable outfit for Halloween or themed events, this is a fantastic option. What people say? It's just the double shirt and hat. We plan on letting him wear with his own khakis. He is beyond thrilled with the comfort level of this costume. The shirt velcros at the shoulder neck, which is perfect because he had a hard time with fitting his head through things. And the velcro does not itch his skin. Number 1. Chewing Things Dog Bandana. Introducing the Chewing Things Dog Bandana, designed for both style and practicality. It's the perfect accessory for your furry friend. This bandana offers a comfortable fit for medium to large dogs. It's easy to put on and stays in place during playtime. Crafted from durable materials, it's built to withstand your dog's adventures. You can trust its quality for everyday wear. It's a versatile accessory that adds a touch of personality to your dog's look. Perfect for walks, photos, or just lounging at home. Keeping it fresh is simple as it's easy to clean. This bandana is designed for hassle-free maintenance. Looking for a gift for a dog lover? This bandana is a thoughtful and practical choice. They'll appreciate its quality and design. What we like? Looking for a simple yet effective way to add some flair to your dog's look? This bandana is designed for ease of use and comfort for medium to large dogs. If you want a quick and easy accessory for everyday wear or casual events, this bandana is a great choice. What people say? Good quality bandana and looks great on our golden retriever. Was a great and easy Halloween costume for my dog. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.